Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys this big box. I've had this sitting in my room forever, and if you guys see my background, just dismiss it like you don't even see it. I just did an unboxing haul, which you guys will see on my channel because it has already dropped at this point. But right here, I'm just sitting here opening up this box of my filling machine that I purchased on Amazon. I thought I was gonna have to put together this filling machine. Thank God it was already put together in the box, which I will show you guys once I pull it out of the box. But yes, and this thing was heavy. I was not expecting it to be so heavy like it was, but it was heavy. It's not heavy to the point where you need like some assistance, but I would highly not recommend you carrying it if you have like some type of liquid in there, because it's going to make it 10 times heavier. But yeah, it came all in one piece, whole, as you guys can see. With this filling machine, I have not used it yet, but you see me, I'm literally, it's heavy. But yeah, right here, I'm just literally taking the plastic off of the filling machine. Like I said, when I took it straight out of the box, I did not have to put anything together. I will link down in the description box below the exact filling machine that I did get. I believe I paid, Jesus Christ, I don't even remember. It's been so long. I done had this sitting in my room forever, and now it's finally the time for me to bring it out and actually use it. So I believe I paid $200 for it, but like I said, I will link everything down in the description, so you guys, if you want to check it out, buy this for yourself, you can definitely do so. And yeah, so this is the full look of it. Not even gonna lie, them girls on TikTok that be doing them filling videos be making it look easy, because this lever was hard. I don't know if it's just because I just took it straight out the box or what, but girl, I had to put my back into it a little bit. And I would definitely recommend that if you're going to be using this frequently, to put it on a surface that is sturdy, because I just had it on my flimsy little table, and girl, it needs something solid, because every time I kept pulling that lever down, it was wobbling. So yeah, but this is it. I literally was just trying to expect it, just to see what's what. It does come with a lid, so when you are dispensing your things, you want to make sure that you have a lid on it, so don't know dust or lint and nothing like that drips in your stuff. Right here, I unscrewed some stuff. I knew I wasn't supposed to do that. I don't know, I'm gonna play with it a little bit later, but this is me just screwing it back on, showing you guys a little more up close look of how the machine actually operates. And you guys will see, I don't know if you guys can see it in the video like that, but the table was wiggling real bad. But yeah, this is it. I am super excited to show you guys moving forward of me actually using the machine. I will definitely be keeping you guys up to date with that, especially when I come out with my products that I will be launching in July. Depending on when you see this video, I will definitely show you guys more behind the scenes of showing you how this actually works. But I hope you guys stay to the end. I thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.